So the next feature we have is right down here, as you'll see on the bar, People and Kudos. So the first part of that is People, and what that is a people directory. What we've done at Jenz is we've done 4 tabs. So we have the All tab, the New tab, the Away tab, and of course the Teams tab. So we'll start with the All tab. It's self-explanatory. It's everybody in the company, and it'll pop up looking something like this with everybody's profile bubble. And then we have the New tab as well. And so that's for any new hires to your organization. This is a great way if you want to introduce somebody to the company culture. It'll ease the transition into that new company, which is a problem for a lot of new hires. And so you'll be able to retain your employees, a lot better than traditional ways. The third tab is the Away tab. And so like you'll see here, he has an Away tab. You can set your status. And so your status can be whether you're sick, whether you're on vacation, whether you're working remotely, which of course for a lot of companies now is huge. There's a lot of companies that give the option to their employees to work remotely or to come into the office. Maybe they give a hybrid option. This is a great way to keep tabs on who's working remotely and who's not, or who's out sick and who's not. The last tab is the Teams tab. And what that is basically it's the same as the All tab, except you've separated the employees in their departments. For example, here the business development department. So if you want to easily reach somebody in a certain department, well, you have the list of who's in that department. This is a great time saver, for anybody that's ever had problems before reaching somebody, but they're not answering, and so they need to reach somebody in that department. So this is what everybody's profile will look like. You'll notice everybody has a profile picture. You can now put a face to the name. If you've ever walked through the halls at work and you don't know who somebody is, well, maybe this is a little reminder, and this will, again, like I said, put a face to the name, of colleagues of yours. As well, if you swipe up, employees can put a description of themselves. Great way to get to know other people in the company. And of course, everybody's name, position, and seniority level will be here on their profile. The last part of the profile I want to just point out before we move into Kudos is this tab down here. So we at Jenz, the way we've set it up is we use WhatsApp a lot. So we have WhatsApp set up. However, this is completely customizable for your company, whether you use different programs, WhatsApp, perhaps you use Teams, perhaps you use Slack. So we can integrate it directly onto the profile, on the profile tab. And so that's a great way to easily reach multiple people within your company. So we'll move into Kudos now. And this is a great feature that, a lot like the social stories, taps into the emotional engagement of your employees. So you'll see right here, for example, Marco has received 9 kudos so far. So what that means is he's had colleagues rather, give him a good job, a thumbs up, a kudos for 9 times. And so it's a positive reinforcement piece. Employees now, they want more from their work. They want more recognition for a job well done. And this is a great way to do it and an efficient way to do it. So when you do give a kudos to someone, this is what it'll look like. You can say something nice. One of the examples I like to always give is, and it may seem almost useless to others, but really it's not. It's a great way to give recognition. For example, is if somebody's organized a Christmas party and they did a great job, you can say something. You say, "Hey, great job organizing the Christmas party. We had a great time," and so that colleague will see it. Their superiors will see it, and so, like I said, great way to give positive reinforcement.